Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is IoT-based patient health monitoring system on ThingSpeak using ESP8266 Wi-Fi module and Arduino Uno R3 board. So in this project, we are using an 0 to 9 volts adapter power source and it converts to 5 volts pure DC output. It gives to Arduino Uno R3 board. So we are using LM35 temperature sensor connected to the A1, analog sensor, analog pin A1, heartbeat sensor connected to the analog A0, humidity sensor connected to the analog A2, ECG sensor connected to the analog A3, fall detection sensor connected to the A4 and A5, X coordinate and Y coordinate fall detection, body fall detection sensor connected to the A4 and A5. So all total 5 sensor connected to the A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, and ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. It connected to the RX and TX connected to the 5th pin and RX connected to the 4th pin. 16 cross to LCD display, it connected with the RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is our total block diagram of the project. And here we are using one Wi-Fi module. It requires mobile data on as well as Wi-Fi hotspot on. So whenever the Wi-Fi hotspot on, it gives the username or SSID, password, password is project1234. All are small letters. Okay, there is no spaces. So Wi-Fi module requires mobile data as well as hotspot internet. So here we are using one ThingSpeak. So temperature, body temperature, and body heartbeat monitoring, humidity monitoring, fall detection monitoring, and ECG monitoring. Okay, so let us coming into the hardware part. Okay, so here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source. We are using 0 to 9 volt 1 ampere adapter power source. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED. So this is a 5 volts power supply module. Arduino Uno R3 80 mega 328 controller board, reset button, USB programming, 16 cross to LCD display, character LCD display. So whatever the process is going on, that should be connected to the LCD. Those are connected with the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin numbers. So LM35 temperature sensor connected to the A0, humidity sensor connected to the A2, A1 temperature sensor, heartbeat sensor connected to the A0, and fall detection sensor connected to the A4 and A5, ECG sensor connected to the A3, and Wi-Fi ESP8266 module. It is connected to the 4th and 5th pin. Okay, so one alarm, if any sensor above the value, it gives small alarm. Okay, so now I am going to start the power supply. So it gives the Wi-Fi name ESP F4E10A. Okay, so now I'm going to press reset button. IoT based patient health monitoring on ThingSpeak using ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. Initializing. Wi-Fi testing. Connected. Hotspot. Wi-Fi hotspot. So it will check the Wi-Fi hotspot, username and the password. Once Wi-Fi hotspot connected, so the device name, it will tell you Wi-Fi hotspot connected. Okay, once it is connected Wi-Fi hotspot, it will tell you Wi-Fi hotspot connected. Yeah, Wi-Fi hotspot connected. T for temperature, H for humidity, E for ECG, X coordinate and Y coordinate. So now I am going to give my heartbeat value, X coordinate, Y coordinate. Every 5 counts it will send the data to server. T for temperature, humidity, ECG, X coordinate value, Y coordinate value, humidity, heartbeat. After 5th count complete, it will send the data to ThingSpeak server. then it will update the data onto the ThingSpeak. So time is 11:34. You can check the time. Okay, it will update the data onto the server. Okay, now I will increase the temperature with a doob stick. Temperature increased. Okay, so temperature 46. So now I will increase the humidity, temperature 44. Okay, temperature 44, it is updated. Humidity 25. T for temperature, H for humidity. Humidity 62. Humidity 62. Humidity 62 updated. Okay, so now fall detection. Left fallen, left, right, front, back. Okay, so now fall detection. It will update. Yeah, fall detection updated. Okay, left fallen, right fallen, front fallen, different values. So ECG and the heartbeat 90 above, then only it will send the data to server. Okay, now heartbeat. Okay, now I will bend for the right bend, right fallen. It will update using this mobile phone data. It will update the data to server. Yeah, fallen. Okay, so now I'm going for the temperature alert. Yeah, 49. Yeah, updated. T for temperature. Once again, power supply board, LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, alarm and heartbeat sensor, ECG sensor, fault detection, and the ESP8266 Arduino R3 board. BPM 65. Okay, thanking you.